Hey, this is Nancy from MovinsEdition. Let me introduce O'Neill Black High Top item from the MovinsEdition series. This is Jack O'Neill's Malibu to Leather Black High Top, which is a new product owned by MovinsEdition, and has created the world's first water sports brand. It's one of the products that you already know is expanding its reach at the O'Neill brand. The point of this product is that it has a good leather texture. Should I say that shoes are waterproof like water sports brands? Maybe it's just a feeling. It has a hook on the back of the shoe, so it's good to create a variety of straps. We have a variety of shoes from O'Neill, which is premium and has the best leather and design, and is a high price range. It's written on the signature of the shoe's tongue. It's a premium. The design pattern is not unique, but I would like to praise the leather texture as it is an ambitious work that has expanded from the surfing brand to take on new challenges. The outsole pattern is unique. It was Jack O'Neill's Malibu to Leather Black High Top product that created the world's first water sports brand with a new product owned by MovinsEdition. I recommend it to O'Neill brand users, collectors, and high top enthusiasts. Bye!